Egg here, and this is a video for JesusChristTrust.net. This is to support our website and our church. And this channel is going to be giving out information that basically needs to be taught under a church umbrella because it would be blocked and our school shut down over at Liberty Aid Academy. So, and some people there just aren't interested in the spiritual work and the hidden truth. Uh, and we don't want to mix it up with the financial information over here on Liberty Aid Academy, where we've been doing this for a decade, and there's just so many topics that have come up that to my work, and I really wanted to give the information out there, get it out there, and it's just truth that nobody knows and nobody's putting out there yet, and I need a vehicle to do that doesn't threaten Liberty Aid Academy in any way, shape, or form. So I'm building this channel and doing these many topics which are more hidden. They're not more controversial. They're just I produce financial as spiritual technology. This here, the church, Jesus Christ Trust is going to focus on the spiritual technology. Okay, whereas Liberty Aid Academy is going to continue to focus on the financial technology. And so we're kind of separating them out as much as possible and putting the hidden spiritual truth over here on JesusChristTrust.net. Okay. All right, I hope that explains what our channel's about. And if you ever have a topic that you're like, I don't understand how, this works out there in the world and so on, please give me a suggestion. All right, contact at JesusChristTrust.net. That's our email, contact at JesusChristTrust.net. And be like, hey, what about this topic? Maybe you could get into this. I'd love to have anyone's, testimonials that they have doing this work. That is sort of the spiritual component from Liberty Aid Academy's trust. Once you sign that trust with Jesus Christ, your life changes forever. No taxes. You don't give the government money; they give you money, and you're outside their jurisdiction, and so on and so on. All that work is over there on Liberty Aid Academy. Over here, we're going to focus on some other things over here. Now, one of the things that I've been doing for a long time is debt forgiveness, okay? And that course is not available on libertyaidacademy.org. It's not at Liberty Aid Academy, okay? It's just too controversial once you start showing how you beat the bankers so easily and the slavery of banking and so on. They shut your school down, but let's see if they shut the church down for having it. So far, I need to have a place where this work I've been doing now over a decade with proof, is available to people, because debt forgiveness is allowed by the Bible and it's also allowed by law. And this just teaches you how to get it done by law. Any debt. This is how you remove any debt. Okay. So, and what we have is this course you take, but then we also have, once you log in and make your login, there's this place called the Classroom, which is an online private forum where I am the only moderator. And so if you have a question or whatever about the work you're doing, any question, you get in there, you type it out, put links, photos, everything. It's really, we found the best way to get questions answered easily and fully and quickly without any, I'm sorry, without any buffer between me and the students. So that's how the school is working. That's what's over there right now. The debt forgiveness is only on JesusChristTrust.net. If anyone needs it, this is proven for a decade to work with all those testimonials that we have. Check them out. We put up some Like, we have so many from debt forgiveness on Liberty Aid Academy, we can't even do it on Liberty Aid Academy anymore. So I'm moving that over here to JesusChristTrust.net. Everybody got a problem with the bankers and your debt and so on, and this is where we're going to sort that work. But not only that, this is where, that's allowed to be here because the Bible says all debts and sins are forgiven. So, debt forgiveness. This also, these other items here, like the advising session and the McCagg Mastery Bundle. This is the classroom I'm talking about, online private forum. Okay, if you want to donate to the church, this is how you do it. But if you hit this link to get the trust and so on, that'll bring you over to Liberty Aid Academy. All right. Same with this. If you hit the link here for the advising sessions, it'll bring you to Liberty Aid Academy. All right. You can get my advice over there, but not here as of yet. This is a new vehicle, and it's just a way to get this debt forgiveness up that a lot of people need, and also to promote truth I cannot divulge over there at Liberty Aid Academy, or they'd shut us down. So I have to do it under this church as a Christian ministry. Anyway, everyone, welcome to JesusChristTrust.net, the YouTube channel. I'm John McCagg. Thanks for your support. All right, I really appreciate it. And we'll be getting more videos out. Become a student at the school here. We're going to develop a ministry school for Christian ministers too out of this. We're just getting started, so we're going to create a lot of content here. But right now, the content that we can't get on Liberty Academy, you can get it here. Get the debt forgiveness. Okay, here if you need me, John McCagg. Contact at JesusChristTrust.net.